So I want to demonstrate the Tombow pen. We're going to be using this for the assignment of drawing trees. This is a cool pen. It has the brush tip side, which lets you get a variety of line weight changes really quickly. And then it has a harder side that will let you get cleaner lines. So when the other thing that this stuff does, and you'll see I have a little thing of water over here and the brush that I asked you to get. The other stuff that this ink in the Tombow does is it stays water soluble. So I can create what's called an ink wash with it. And I can pull it out and then paint with it a little bit like watercolor. So in terms of drawing a tree, you're also going to do one in the Sharpie and you're going to do one in charcoal. So you get experience drawing the same thing with different materials. But with the Tombow, and with all of them really, I would think a little bit more about drawing. Don't try and draw every leaf. Like try and just get the general sense of light and shadow. You should be looking at an actual tree. I'm just making one up and I'm going really quick for the sake of a demonstration. But you should be looking at an actual tree and taking your time with it. This is like the worst tree I've ever drawn. Make it a little bushier there. When you're drawing these trees, you also want to give some sense of where they're at, which I'll do that in a minute on this one with the Tombow. Okay, so real quick, I just got a general sense of light and shade. It's darker underneath here. Okay, then I'm going to take the brush and start to try and create the middle values. Okay, give it some gradients and things. The other thing I can do that's cool is I can just pick up some of the black here and then say I could do a bush or something in the background. There's a fence back there. And because it's lighter, it's going to give that sense of atmospheric perspective. So whatever tree you're drawing, you should also be trying to draw the environment. This is a lot of fun working with these ink washes. A lot of students really enjoy this.